Right, ignition on. Put on to auto. Nothing. So I think what's happened is, well, it's just died. It was apparently sounding like an aeroplane for quite some time. So new heater blower installed. So we need to take off this trim here. It's got some clips on it, and hidden under there a couple of bolts. And then we need to be taking out the throttle pedal. A couple of bolts in there on nuts, as you can see. And the clutch pedal will come out at the same time. And that's got a clip there. See where the blue is? Let's start getting it, get the trim off and go that way. Take these two bolts that are under here first. 10s or 12s, I think. Yeah, 10 mils, two of them. And now, this, I believe, should unclip. Probably best if we poke this through the hole. I need a little screwdriver to help that out. Just got two little tabs on it, on each side. Right, sorry about that. So them bolts are out. Now we need to have a little look, see about getting all this out. I'm going to have to get my head under here. Let's see what this was. So yeah, you basically just put it out towards you slightly and down, and it should then just hang there in the breeze out of the way. And now the panel comes out. We've got a little multi-plug down here for the light. Let's pull. And we have up here another little multi-plug. So do the same again, get the pick. You can use a screwdriver if you want, just get the tag pushed in. And that little tube, just to make access easier to these pedals, we can remove this ducting. Now there's a screw here, not sure what's on the other end yet, but I'm going to start by removing that screw or bolt. It's a 10mm. I'm wondering whether to remove this piece of trim here. There we go, just got to get the right angle on it. Get your camera out of the way. Well, that's that out now. As you can see, we can get to our bolts and bits and pieces easier because the heater blower motor lives up in here, right up there. Right, so here's the pedal set out. So there's the pin to take out here, which I showed you. There's multi-plug here and another one here. And also there's a bracket at the top held on with two 10mm bolts, which I shall just show you. When I can find it. Difficult to see this bracket here. This bracket here lives up there. 2 10mm bolts hold that on. And the heater blower lives up there. You just see it. There it is. There's one bolt in that, which one do I think it's an 8, and then it should twist out. So here it is. That it has a multi-plug in here. Takes a little bit of twisting it and gently sort of moving it through the wiring looms and stuff, but it does come out. And the bolt that held it on there was actually an 8. So you undo that bolt, take it out, and then give it a little turn anti-clockwise, and it releases and comes out. Yeah. That's knackered. Let's have a go at putting a new one in. And with the new one, so it spins lovely, no noises. We'll plug it in, make sure it works. So new heater blower installed. So that was a short video on replacing the heater blower in this Nissan Qashqai. It's a 2010, I believe. I think the J11's pretty similar. Pretty straightforward job, just fiddly more than anything else. It needs to be a bit of a contortionist to get up around the back of the pedals. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your comments and messages in the box below. Thanks for watching.